5 cocktails, only 3 ingredients. Let's do this. The Caipirinha, almost a daiquiri, but just a little grit. You want to cut a lime, roll it out, make it soft. Cut that baby into little chunks. Drop them right into your glass and 2 heaping bar spoons of white sugar. Muddle it right in the glass. You want to squeeze the oils from the skin of the lime right into the cocktail. And 2 ounces of Cachaça. Now top that drink off with some crushed ice. The crushed ice will aid in a lot of the dilution that this drink needs. Get a little stir. Now top it off with some crushed ice. That's your Caipirinha. Let's make the daiquiri. In a shaker tin, you want to add 1 ounce per cocktail of fresh lime juice. And 3/4 ounce simple syrup. 2 ounces of rum. Ice. Shake. Now, if you're drinking alone, 1 cocktail is just fine. But if you're drinking with a buddy, we call these snackeries. And a little lime wheel right on top to float for your garnish. It's your daiquiri. Can't be beat. How about a margarita? I'm gonna start it in the mixing glass. 1 ounce of fresh lime juice. 1 ounce of orange curacao. And 2 ounces of your favorite tequila. Ice. And shake. Get your big cube. And a lime wheel right there on top. Margarita. This is the Bobby Burn. In a mixing glass, pour 1/4 ounces of Benedictine, 1/2 ounce of Cokie sweet vermouth, and 2 ounces of scotch. Crack some ice. And stir. About 30 times or until the mixing glass starts frosting on the side. In your chilled coupe glass, pour. And you're gonna garnish this with a shortbread cookie right on top. Your Bobby Burns. The cookie's nice. Let's make the Americano. 1.5 ounces of Campari. You can pour this right in the glass. 1.5 ounces of sweet vermouth of your choice. Big spear of ice right in your Collins glass. Give it a little stir. And top it with some soda water. Garnish with an orange wedge. Your Americano. Every one of these cocktails has only 3 ingredients. Let me know which one is your favorite.